back to my channel, and today I am here with Nyla.
Hello.
My African-American 2013 My Baby All Gone, and today I'm going to be doing a feeding with her. Now, some of you guys may be wondering why did I choose Nyla instead of Mariah when I usually choose the dolls that are in better condition with their original outfits to feed. But that is because Nyla's bracelet works. Mariah's bracelet stopped working like, I don't know when, but just 6 months ago or something, her bracelet stopped working, so that is why. But yeah, today I'm going to be feeding her, and I will actually need a potty for that because I do not have any diapers left right now. I swear, like, the dolls that are wearing diapers, basically, oh my god, but yeah, I need to buy them diapers. I just haven't done it yet, so yeah, and I don't buy Baby Alive diapers for my smaller ones. I don't even really feed them much, so yeah, but, anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and get this video started. What am I even waiting for? So, yeah, let's just get guys, so I'm back, and I got all of the feeding supplies that I'm going to need for Nyla. By the way, someone just asked me, like, today, this video is being pre-filmed, by the way, so that you guys know that. But yeah, so this, here is the blender. I'm just going to go ahead and, because, she asked me, how do you make Baby Alive food? I'm not sure who requested it again. I can't remember at the moment. But, yeah. So, basically what I did was, I just took one of my, reusable food packets that I make. I'm gonna show you guys one of them. But I also do, like, custom stuff, like pumpkin spice food. But yeah. And I also, like, cut a slight bit of it off so that, so I could reuse this packet. And if you guys do not do this, this is a very, very smart idea, so please do this. And you will thank me for it. Like, I'm not saying it just to, have, like, credits or be thanked, nothing. I just want to help people out, so, yeah. But, if you have not tried that idea to save money on Baby Alive food, I would highly recommend it. But, yeah, I just, took one of the reusable paper towel pads that I put inside the food packets, and then I, just blend it up with some lotion, a little bit of water, but I do the paper towel pad and water first before the lotion, and then take out the pad, add the lotion, so it's a lot easier and it doesn't get your hands all messy. But this is a little bit like too thick for Nyla, so I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of milk in there, blend it. It won't even be a difference if it's milk or water or whatsoever, because but it's still a little thick, so I'm just going to add a bit more until it is the right consistency, and then just blend it up. I would highly recommend getting one of these magical mixer blenders if you do not have one, because these are so good for making food with. Oh my god, like, they're amazing. Highly recommend these as well, because they blend up the food so well. Like, look at how precise this food is blended up. Like, it's beautiful. I mean, I just, like, oh my goodness, I just love this thing so much. If I did not have it, the food that I would be feeding them would be looking like puke. Not gonna lie, but yeah, especially veggies would look like puke that I'm feeding them, so and it probably wouldn't probably would have chunks and clog them up easier, so I highly recommend that. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of this stuff ready, and I'm going to go ahead. So I just went ahead and got everything ready, and I did switch to the Happy Hungry bottle because the other one does leak a little bit as far as I know, and it will not make her sensor react at all, so that is why I'm using this one. But now I'm going to turn her on, and let's go ahead and feed her.
Hi, Mommy. La, la, la.
Hi, Nyla.
Let's play.
How about we eat right now? Here, how about we eat? I'll give you a drink first to start off.
More, please.
Okay, here.
Sandwich. I love veggies.
Silly, this isn't veggies, it's grapes.
Thanks, Mommy. Mommy.
You're welcome. She's got a little bit of a bubble in her mouth.
I'm full. Just kidding.
Please be kidding, Nyla. Please. You can't be full after I did all this work to make your food.
Just kidding.
Alright, good. You better be kidding. Please be kidding.
Yummy in my tummy.
That's good. I think...
I'm hungry.
Let's go ahead and give you a drink first. You're not...
Mommy. Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome. I think she likes it.
Food, please.
Yep.
I'm full. Just kidding.
Please, Nyla. I did all this work to make your meal.
Excuse me.
You're excused. Alright, come on. Let's see
Mommy,
more.
I'm hungry.
Oh my. Nyla, you're making a mess.
Thanks, Mommy.
She's definitely going to be needing to be fed water quite a bit during this, because she's going to make a mess if I do not. I'm just going to mix in a little bit of water with this, like a little bit more, because...
I'm so thirsty.
Okay, how about we give you
More, please.
a drink? You definitely look pretty thirsty. Oh my... Nyla!
Uh-oh.
Oh! Oh gosh,
Is
what
my
is...
diaper dirty?
I hope not. And you're
Mommy,
not even...
got stinky?
You're not even wearing a diaper. You're going in the potty, silly.
Ew.
Great. Yay. I mean,
Uh-oh.
Nyla, you weren't even wearing a diaper. Come on, you're on the potty, you silly girl. 'Cause I don't have any diapers right now. Oh my goodness, she's silly.
Mommy.
What do you think? Okay.
Can I have my bottle?
Sure.
I'm hungry. Mommy,
Probably have to,
can
put
I
a
have my bottle?
paper towel on her face or something, like on her chin, so she doesn't make such a mess. I am leaning her back so that she actually takes the food better because,
Please.
yeah, especially with these dolls
More,
having
please.
a, harder mouth, especially on those ones that do not have wide mouths. I don't like feeding them very much because, like,
Over?
they're just not very easy to feed in my personal opinion.
Mommy. Can I have my bottle?
Sure, hold on, let me figure out how to get
I'm
this
hungry.
food down and not gonna
I'm
cause
so
an
tired.
air bubble here, because if there's an air bubble, you're going to spit everything out. Come on, just eat all of it, please. My child, please eat your food for once.
I love you, Mommy.
I always have to tell them this. My child, eat your food for once. When I'm feeding them and they don't eat it. Okay, please don't be clogged, Nyla. I hope you're not. I'm gonna give her a bit more water in this. Why aren't you talking anymore? Nyla? What's going on with you, girly?
Hi, Mommy. La, la, la.
Okay, this is
Mommy.
the consistency you want for your baby Argon dolls, because obviously the consistency I was trying was way too thick. Let me show you guys, but yeah, that's the consistency you want for these dolls, because otherwise they're just not going to take it well. And you want to make sure that you don't cause air bubbles, because look at the trouble I'm having here with these air bubbles in her mouth.
More, please.
Okay, let's feed you more.
All good.
It's not even all gone, Nyla.
Mommy.
Still got that much
I'm hungry.
food left. Okay, here, let me feed you more. Oh my... My child! Please! Do not drip your food!
Food, please.
Oh my god, why do I tell me why I keep on having, like, laughing breakdowns in these videos, when I film them, because, like, I don't know why this is so funny to me, but I don't know why. Please. I don't know if I'm just overreacting or laughing. It's laughing, not what I just said there. Oh my god.
More, please.
Okay.
More, please.
Here. Just eat that. Just eat that. Just eat that. Nyla, please no more vomiting your food. It looks like she's vomiting, to be honest. I'm just gonna feed her the old-fashioned way of this right here. Here, we're gonna feed you the old-fashioned way. Let's go ahead and try out the new way of feeding you.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, that works great. No more puking out food.
Food, please.
Here, there's your food.
Mommy,
We're just going to pour it over your mouth, like this. And... okay, she just hiccuped. She's got a lot of food in her mouth. I'm gonna wash it down.
Excuse me.
When you're feeding them, always do that because it clears out their mouth really good. Otherwise, if you don't, then yeah, it's just gonna be a whole bunch of buildup in their mouth of food. And then when it dries in there, not gonna be very easy to clean, especially when it's lotion.
Yummy.
Okay, that's good.
Mommy, mommy. Yummy in my tummy. Drink, please. No, thank you. Just kidding.
You better be kidding, and yeah, you're practically all done. But yeah, she finished all her food. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's enough. Nyla, reminding you, you are in the potty. You did make a stinky, but in the potty. Oh my goodness. Here, I'm gonna do some ASMR.
Is playtime over?
Okay, well, yeah,
More, please.
Nyla, can you be quiet for a sec? But, yeah, let me know in the comments if that was satisfying or not.
I'm so tired.
Nyla, you had a whole bowl of food. You had a whole entire bottle. Nyla, are you kidding me? But, seriously.
I love you, Mommy.
Guys, if you're gonna have dolls like her, look forward to getting messes on their clothes, because, yeah, she's got a little bit of a mess on there, but, Nyla, let's get you a paper towel. Let's get you that, because, yeah, you made a mess. I know this is probably gonna look like, some wimpy paper towel piece, like, it's not really gonna do much, but even just one little piece like this can still do quite a lot, so I'm just gonna wipe her face up with this. I know it might seem like really bad, like, oh my god, I mean, one piece is not gonna do much. I know what you guys are saying, like, yeah, usually I use a full-size towel on my child to clean her up, but nope, I'm doing this the frugal way of cleaning up my dolls after feeding them.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, good grief. Nyla! Just turned on again. The thing is about these dolls, they don't have off switches, so you're basically stuck with them just blabbering until they shut up, basically. But, wow, she even found that funny.
Hugs, please.
Okay, there's a hug, Nyla. But now time to take you off of the potty and see what masterpiece you've done on there. And I'm gonna do a little like round of applause. Dun 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 dun.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! I have my bottle.
Yay! My child went on the potty.
Oh my god.
Nyla, you cannot be thirsty after that.
This break time
Like,
over?
can someone please leave me some help? Because I feel like my babies are constantly wanting water. Like they're constantly wanting water, and like I feed them water.
More, please.
I mean, all the freaking time, and like, how the heck?
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Nyla, oh my god. I'm putting her underwear back on.
Tired.
So, yeah, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm putting that back on. And yay! Undies back on. All good to go, Nyla. But, yeah, this is going to be all for today's video. Let me move her masterpiece out of the way here. Okay. So, now as I was saying, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time, and I'll be making lots more. Bye, everyone!